Wubba. This is Downtown Adrian J. So we're going to do the 24K service, the first part, which is checking the codes on Ista. This is the third time I've tried to do this because I've been having problems, not with the car, but with this screen capture software. I finally had to install OBS Studio, which seems to be doing a trick. I don't know if we're going to have any more issues, but I'm hoping we're not. So first thing we have to do, and you're only going to hear my voice because I'm going to mix this later. You're just going to be seeing the screen, which is good. So you have to make sure that at the moment, this is what the situation is. The car is not on a charger. As a result, there will be some errors coming up. I've got my Ethernet cable connected and the laptop is powered up. So now what we are going to do is we're going to put the ignition on. The ignition is on. Go to operations, read out vehicle data, and then complete identification. Okay, and while this is doing it, just to let you know, if you like the video, please hit like, and if you liked it and you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Right, now it's going to go to here. This is the VIN number, this is the IP address for the Ethernet. We hit setup connection. So everything seems to be going okay. Oh, it's very hot in the car, but I hope we can get this stuff sorted out. So there were some codes which I cleared. They were what I call bullshit codes. So there shouldn't really be any codes in here. And if we see here, we've got the VIN number.
This, so it's not necessarily an issue. I just want to check the codes and show you how we check the codes. This takes quite a while. So as I said, if you like this video, hit like. Excuse me. I had a case of yawnings, and I think because it's really hot in the car, I'm yawning quite a bit. So again, this is Ista Plus. It's copyrighted the BMW group. This is not software you can buy. This is coming from BMW, and it's a hacked version. Everyone has a hacked version. 2 Series F23 convertible, B46. I'm just chatting because I'm chatting. So I may cut stuff out, or I may not, I don't know. Or might just speed up my voice so I sound like a chippy monk. This is a standalone computer, nothing on it. I don't even have any antivirus other than the Windows antivirus, and I have that switched off just to make sure it doesn't affect or have any issues with the car. This is the date and the time up there, and all these other things down there, which we will probably go to at another time when I've got full power to the car. This is just, again, something you should be doing at least once a month to check for codes to see, excuse me, if there are any errors. At the moment, outside it is 29 degrees, and inside the car it feels like 34. I'm hoping this is the first time I'm using the screen capture software, so I can use both hands, and you get a much clearer screen other than when I've got my camera in my hand. OBS Studio is one I came across. It's free. It is a little bit of it's kind of a little bit of a pain to use to set up, but once you set up, it seems to be okay. So make sure it is there, it's running. I don't know if it slows down the software or does anything to slow down the software. I've only got 2 bars on the camera, so I'm hoping it will go through.
It's also a good idea to check the here we go. So there's no codes. As I said, I've cleared this a few times, so there's definitely no codes. You can either start your vehicle test, or if there were codes, it allow you to display them. So yeah, it's all good. Now I wanted to go to, and this is where it's gonna crash. Ista's gonna crash because we haven't. But I'm gonna give it a try. I don't think it will let me. So if you hit vehicle management, it let me do it. Okay. I'm okay with that. Okay, so let's have a look. I'm trying to look for the, let's see. Oh no, it's service function. Service function. There we go, right. So body. Then we're looking for the voltage supply. Okay. And we want to check the battery. So this one we want to check evaluating the battery state of charge. I bet you this is going to be low because the batteries are being basically on and off in the car. So you know it'll show low. Okay, he's going to check the battery. It's always a good idea to check. And let's continue. State of charge over the last 5 days. Continue. Okay, so there we go. Today is not possible. That's fine. It's in the 80s, so we're good. Okay, so that means the battery is good. So I would probably, oh, state of charge, battery is too low, recharge. That's because I've been have on in the car, right? Charging state histogram, let's check this. Continue. Here we go. Most of the time it's been 100%, then 70 to 80% of the time 12 hours, 914 hours, 32 hours. So yeah, I mean, this is a good battery. And then in service function. Continue. Then another thing we can do is this. This is where when you check to see for closed circuit current. In other words, is there a short? Is it got parasitic load? This is the only way you can do it, guys and girls. And we'll wait for it to do it. Here we go. The following results here. Here we go. So the number of measurements less than 80 milliamps is 24, which is good. If there was more than 80 milliamps, we have an issue. So hey, we have no issues with this car at all. I'm going to end the service function. Continue. So that's it. Next time, maybe, perhaps we'll do that. So everything is fine. I wanted to show you the things I wanted to show you anyway. There's a couple of things I can't, but I should have brought the other battery down, but there we go. All right, so I'm going to chill out. I'm going to stop recording on this, and I'm going to go back up, edit this, and put this up for you guys to watch. The next one we're going to do is dot wheel change. So don't go away. Stay tuned.